Hi everybody, what is going on? This is Eric from ReConvert, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to collect customer birthdays from your thank you page and then later on sync them to Klaviyo in order to create happy birthday flows with your customers. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to set up the flow on Klaviyo. So let's just jump into my screen and I'll teach you how to get it done. Alright, so when we're talking about collecting customer birthdays, there are a few things you want to think about. First of all, you don't want to ask for customer birthdays if they already gave you their birthday, because then you're just gonna spam them. So it's important to just make it as a smart widget. Also, you want to make sure that you do it in a way that it's not going to hurt the conversion rate in any way, not like an intrusive pop-up or anything like that. Best position for that would be on the thank you page, which is something that ReConvert provides by default. It's very simple. So just as a quick introduction to ReConvert, ReConvert is one of the top ranked Shopify apps on the Shopify App Store, the #1 Shopify upsell app. If you type in upsell, ReConvert will come up first. Supported and trusted by over 30,000 Shopify stores, more than 3,000 Shopify Plus stores. And basically what it allows you to do is to create simple one-click post-purchase upsell funnels and fully optimized thank you pages. Just to talk about the pricing before we dive deep into the product. So first of all, when you install the app, you get 30 days free trial. And then after that, the pricing is dynamic according to your size. It's completely free if you're a store with less than 50 orders per month. And then it starts from $8 a month, growing with your business as you grow. The pricing is dynamic. If you're going to go back to less than 50 orders per month, the app is going to be free again for you. Now, the ROI on the app is usually over a few thousand percentages, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000% return on investment. And the bigger you are, the better results you're gonna get. In terms of review, you can see we have a perfect 5 out of 5 rating on the App Store. All right, so now let's just go through the install process. This app is already installed, but this is what it looks like on your store. I'm just gonna click on the app, get into the app, and I'll show you how the onboarding process looks like and how easy it is to start collecting customer birthdays. Okay, this is just a screen explaining about pricing in case anyone have any questions. I'm just gonna skip it for now and approve the payment for the app. Alright, so first of all, there is a help video here showing you how to get started in case you need some help. And then before we get started, there is just one thing we need to set up before we get started, which is set up ReConvert as the post-purchase upsell app on Shopify. You can only have one upsell app, post-purchase upsell app on Shopify. So let's just set it up by clicking here, select ReConvert and click save. And that's it. I'm gonna close this tab, check status, and everything is good to go. And now let's get started. I'm gonna click on start now. You have a few ways to get started. If you want, you can start manually, all right, creating post-purchase funnels from scratch or use our pre-made funnels. But if you really want to get started, we created something called quick activations. All you have to do is give us the maximum amount of discount you're willing to provide your customers post-purchase, and we will automatically create a fully personalized funnel that's going to be displayed on all orders, which is, by the way, a best practice and highly recommended. So let's say that the maximum amount I'm willing to offer post-purchase is 20%. I'm going to change it to 20%, and you can see that all the discounts for the upsells and for the thank you page are completely optimized according to this discount. I'm going to click on publish ReConvert, and this is pretty much it. I'm now going to be redirected to my funnel editor. And this is it. ReConvert is now active. There is literally nothing else I need to do in order to start collecting birthdays. Now I'm just going to close this for now. This is the funnel editor. If you want to learn more, you can just click here to see this help video about the funnel editor. Now, the way ReConvert works is every time an order is completed, first of all, we check if there is a trigger. By default, it's set to all orders, and that's actually going to decide when I want to activate this funnel and display it to customers. So again, by default, it's set to all customers, but you can really customize it however you want based on customer information, order information, anything that is in here, product purchased, you can select based on specific products, weight, tags, everything in it. I'm just gonna keep it back on all orders for the sake of the example. Okay, now once the order is completed and the trigger is being met, we're going to display the first upsell. Okay, yeah, and in this case, we're going to display the same product purchased with an additional discount. If you want to edit the offer, you can just click the edit button, and it's going to open the offer editor. Alright, if you want to learn more about the offer editor, you can just click here and watch this help video about the offer editor. But this is what it looks like. You can really customize everything from the product being displayed, discounts, timer, buttons, etc. Let's say that I want to just edit that product and show a specific product. I'm just gonna select specific product here from the drop down and then select the product I want to display. Let's say that I want to display this mug that is right here next to me. All right, perfect. I'm just gonna hit save and close this button. Okay, after the first offer, we can choose another offer to display after the customer had accepted the offer or if he declined, and then at the end we can choose to display a thank you page. By clicking the edit button, I'm going to see the post-purchase thank you page editor. And this is what my thank you page editor looks like. As you can see on the right area here, I have birthday collector. By the way, if you want to learn more about the thank you page editor, you can just click here to view this help video. But in general, if I want to add widgets to the right section or the left section, I'm just gonna click, let's say, the left section. You can drag and drop the different elements in here. Let's say that I want to add, I don't know, another birthday collector, for example. I'm just gonna click it, click on add, and then if I want, I can drag it all the way to the top. Okay, now I don't need two birthday collectors, so I'm just gonna delete this section for now. All right, now I'm gonna click save. So this is pretty much everything you need to do in order to start collecting birthdays, because I already have the birthday collector optimized on the thank you page. I'm gonna go back to the ReConvert dashboard, and this is the ReConvert dashboard. The last thing I need to do in order to sync my birthdays into Klaviyo is head over to settings, general settings, scroll down to the third-party birthday integration. From the list, select Klaviyo, sync with Klaviyo, and now I'm gonna need to get my public API key from Klaviyo. So I'm going to open my Klaviyo account in a new tab. I'm going to head over to account, settings, API keys, and here I'm going to copy my public API key. I'm going to copy that, go back to ReConvert, paste it in here, and click save. And that's it. Klaviyo is now synced with ReConvert. Every time a customer is going to submit his birthday on the thank you page, it's going to automatically being displayed on the Klaviyo account. The last thing we need to do in this video is just go through the store and run a test order, then submit our birthday and see it in Klaviyo. All right, let's just go to my store. Let's buy this dress. I'm gonna click on buy now, and let's use this test Klaviyo at gmail.com. I'm gonna copy that for later. And now let's complete the order. Now I should be able to see two post-purchase offers and then a fully optimized thank you page with a widget that's going to collect my birthday. Alright, and here is the first offer, the mug, the ReConvert mug for $100. For the sake of the example, I'm gonna accept this one. It's automatically going to be charged. I'm not gonna have to re-enter my payment details. And then the second product is a product recommended by the Shopify algorithm, and I'm going to decline this offer. Great. As you can see, the mug was added to my order with the discount without me having to re-enter my payment details. Now, the last step would be for me to submit my birthday. Now, I was born on September 22nd, 1991. Where is it? And I'm going to click submit. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Now, the last step would be to go to Klaviyo and search this account. As you can see, the birthday was submitted to Klaviyo and we're good to go. Alright, and we're all set. In this video we learned everything we need to know about how to collect customer birthdays and how to sync them into Klaviyo. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to set up the actual happy birthday flow. It's something that you definitely need to utilize in order to generate more revenue out of your customers and retain them for years to come and not just a few weeks. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.